Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. I am Trader Martins and we are going to be analyzing the GBPUSD. This is actually the monthly time frame, and as you can see the market is currently on a fair value gap. That's why I also took this high, this buy side liquidity, and that's why it's ranging over here. So I'm expecting the market to move down to this bullish order block outline here, and also before the bullish move to this high here. So let's go to the weekly time frame. So this is the fair value gap on the monthly time frame. As you can see, look the way it respected the fair value gap. So this is basically a mitigation block, so it might mitigate this block, but this is what I'm expecting to go to this place. But definitely it will respect this zone because it's a resistance zone. So, but I'm expecting it here because there is a lot of price action around this zone, the monthly order block and the fair value gap here. So it's confirmed that the current price action is bearish. So let's go to the daily time frame. Okay, so you can see now, look at this daily up close before the down move, and that's why you see the market respected it. So this is the sell side liquidity that the market will purge. So basically this is the high on the weekly time frame. So I'm expecting it to consolidate here, but once it breaks this low, this becomes an order block, just like how this one occurred here. This will become a support zone where once it's reached this place and you see it retrace small before going down to this place, probably because there is a lot of price action around here. You can see the small fair value gap, you can see the down close candle over here, and you can also see the weekly fair value gap with the monthly order block. So the current price action is very bearish. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. So this is what I'm expecting before the down move. I'm expecting a small bullish move with this last up close candle before the down move. So this is where I'm expecting the market to be, probably. So before taking out the sell side liquidity to the weekly mitigation block. Yeah, so this will be the weekly analysis for next week. So it will move up to this last up close candle before the down move, then probably see it take this slow.